Hello dear children, welcome to maths class. In the previous class you all have studied about, you all have written about write the numeral of the following numbers, isn't it? So now let us go to the third main, A, counting by hundreds, write the numbers from. So counting by hundreds you need to do, means skip counting, hundreds, skip counting of hundreds, okay? See here, in this number, ones, tens, hundreds, so 5 is in 100 place, isn't it? So this 100 place will change there, okay? Hundreds will change, like 531, it will become 631. Next 731. So till there, where we need to change? Till 58,231. You need to change that, okay? So let us do the sum in the book. See dear students, I have written the question. So now let us write the answer for that. So write down 57,531, okay. Then after that 57,631, 57,731, 57,831, 57,931, okay. Then after 931 this will become 58,000, okay, this will become 58,000, okay. So 58,000, how much it will come? So here 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Now what you will get? 58,031 you will get, isn't it? So in hundreds place 0, then 31. Okay, next 58,131. Now how much the number is given here? 58,231. So here 58,231. This will be the last. Okay. Okay dear children. So this will be the last number. Because the question is 57,531 to 58,231. Start from the same number 57,531 and end the year 58,231. Okay dear children. Okay, next let us write the second one. See dear students, I have written the question here, okay. So let us read the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this will become 76 crore, okay. Then 8 lakh 50,250. So here you need to change the hundreds place, isn't it? So hundreds, whatever the number is given in the 100, you need to change the number, okay. So now first number is, so let us write 76 crore 8 lakh 50,250. Start from here, okay. So next comes 76 crore 8 lakh, okay, 50,350. Okay, here 250, here 350. Next 76 crore 8 lakh 50,450. Okay, so same thing like that, 76 crore 8 lakh 50,550. Okay, then 76 crore 8 lakh 50,650. Okay, this is 50. Okay. Next 76 crore 8 lakh 50,750. Okay, next 76 crore 8 lakh 50,850. Next 76 crore 8 lakh 50,950. Okay, after 950, how much you will get here? So after 950, it comes 1,050, isn't it? So let us write 76 crore 8 lakh. Okay, then after that, here 51,000, okay, 50 will come. So here 50. Okay, understood? No, 76 crore 8,51,050, because 1,050 you will get, isn't it? So it is added to here 50,000 is there, so it will become 51,050. Understood? No, dear children? So this will be the answer for these two. Okay, next B part we will continue. See, dear students, B, counting by thousands, write the numbers from. So thousands we need to count. Here, see here, 1000 place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 1 is in thousands place, isn't it? Yes. So here, how much it will become? Here 1 will become 2. So 1000 will become 2000, 2000 will become 3000, like that. So whatever the ones place is there, you need to change. Okay. So let us do that sum now. So dear students, how you are going to read this number now? See, let us see ones, tens, okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this will become 11,495. Okay, so let us write the answer, 11,495. So next number after 11,000, so it will become 12,495. Next 13,495, 14,495, 15,495, 16,495, 17,495. Okay, next 17, no, after 17, 18,495. Okay, after 18, 19,495. Then 20,495, 21,495, 22,495, 23,495. So what is the end number you should see here? What they have given? Okay, 24,495. Then last number is for 25,495. See in the question, 25,495. So here also I have written 25,495. This will be the last number. Okay, dear students? Okay. So next one we will write. See, dear students, I have written down the question here. Okay, so let us write 82,500, 83,500, 84,500, 85,500, 86,500, 87,500, 88,500, 89,500, 90,500. Okay, 89, 90. Then 91,500, 92,500. See here in the question, 92,500. Okay, so after 89, 90, isn't it? So 90, 91, 92. Understood, no, dear students? Okay, see the place value, then you will come to know. See, dear students, next C, counting by 10,000s, write the numbers from. So you need to count by 10,000s. Now thousands over. Now 10,000. So this is 10,000 you need to skip. Okay. So now here the number is given ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Here will become 10,000. So 40 will become 50. 50 will become 60. So here you need to change them. Okay. Okay, understood? No, this will become 10,000. So 40. So 40,000. Then it will become 50,000, 60,000. So 10,000 we need to skip count. Okay, understood? Let's solve this. See, dear students, they have given the commas here. Okay, so these 3 they have given. Like this means it will be in international systems. Like see, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So now let us count only 10,000 we need to give extra attention. Okay. We need to give in thousands place. Okay. So now let us 10,000 place, not only 1000, it is 10,000 place. Okay. So read the heading properly when you are writing. So these numbers will be same as it is. Okay. So here 40,000 will become how much? 40 will become 50. So 10,000, no? So here 850. Okay. So 180 million 850,769. Okay, next 180. After that, how much will you do? 60. Okay, then 769. Okay, read it. 180 million 860,769. Okay. Next 180 million 860 is here, isn't it? Now it will become 70. So 870,769. Okay. Next 180 million 870 will become 80. Okay. So 880,769. Okay. So next number 180 million 890,000. Okay. 769. See 890 till where we need to write? Till 900, isn't it? So 890, after 890 skip counting 10,000, how much it will become? It will become 900, isn't it? So 180 million, so 900,769. So this will be the answer. Understood how to skip count, dear students? If you know the place value, then you can skip count easily. Okay. So give stress little bit, give attention on the place value, dear students. Okay. Hello dear children, welcome to maths class. In the last video, I had told you skip counting about hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, isn't it? Okay. So today you are going to learn about expanded notation. So expanded form. How the number you are going to write in the expanded form, as well as the expanded form in the numeral form. Okay. So like that we are going to complete today. Write the following numbers in. So these following, this is already given in the expanded form. Okay. So 20,000, 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 1. So like this it has already given. So we need to write the numeral form. So the number you need to write it. Okay. So let us write in the book. See dear children, fourth one, write the following numbers I have written here. So this already it is in expanded notation. So this is 20,000. Okay. 5,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 1. So you need to write the numbers for this expanded notation. Okay. So 20,000 plus 5,000 means how much it will become? 20,000 plus 5,000. So it will become 25,000, isn't it? Yes. So this will become 25,000. Now 200 plus 10, how much it will become? 200 plus 10, 210. Okay. So 25,200. Then 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. So what will be the answer here? 25,211. Written in the numeral number you have written? Yes. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, so this is in 10,000 place. Okay, this will become 20,000. Then this is in 1,000 place. So this will become 5,000. So both to 20,000 plus 5,000 if you add, it will become 25,000. Okay, so 25,211. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, so let us write the second one. See dear students, second one I have written. So this is 50,000 plus 1,000. How much it will become? So 50,000 it is in 10,000 place and 1,000 is 1,000 place. So this will become thousands place. Both will become in 1,000 place. So this will 51,000. Okay, 51,000. So this is in hundreds place. 0 is in hundreds place. No number. And tens place also no number. So write down as it is. So 0, 0. Now in ones place how much is there? 8. So read the number now. What is the number? 51,000. 51,008. Okay. So how much it is? 51,008. Here no numbers. Because of that I have written only 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Understood no? Okay, let us write third one. See dear students, third one I have written here. So it's units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So this is 10,000 plus 0. So in 1,000 place nothing is there. This only 10,000 is there. Okay, 10,000, 0 plus 800 plus 50 plus 0. So now let us write 10,000 is 10,000 place. Okay. Okay, here no extra number. So that's why we are not able to write here any 0 because this is in 1,000 place and this is in 10,000 place. Isn't it? Yes. So 10,000, if any number is there, that it will add there. Okay, but 0 is there. That's why I am not writing here, dear children. Okay, if 0 is there means there is, you can't add that number. If it is, if at all they have given 1,000, at least 1,000 means it will become 11,000. But 10,000 it as it is you need to write here. Okay, 10,000, next 800, then 50. See here 50, nothing is there, ones place. So 0 you add. Okay, so 10,850 is the answer. Understood no? Because here no number, dear children, in ones place, nothing is there. So 50 you should use here. Here also no number, only 10,000 you should write there. Okay. Next, fourth one. See dear students, fourth one. 80,000 plus 2,000. So 80,000 plus 2,000 it will become 82,000. Isn't it? Yes. So 82,000, then 500. In tens place nothing is there. So write here 0. Okay. So 50. So that is 5 plus 0. That is 509. As it is you should write there 9. Ones place 9. Okay. So 509. In tens place no number, dear children. That's why you write it as it is 0. So 82,509 is the answer. Okay. Understood no? So wherever the 0 is there, you see the place value and then you write the correct numbers. Okay? Okay. See dear students, fifth main. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. The number is given here 35286. So let us see the place value. 6 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So let us read 35,286. The number is given like that. So now while writing the expanded form, you are not going to start from ones place. Okay, you have to start from the 10,000 place. The last number, this one, first number what they have given. So start from the left hand side. Okay, dear children, understood no? So you need to, when you are going to write the place value of the number, you need to start from the ones place. Okay, In the expanded form, whenever you are going to write the expanded form, start from the left hand side. Okay? Start from the left hand. Okay? So now we are going to start from the 3. So 3 is in which place? 3 is in 10,000 place. So this will become 30,000. Okay? How much it will become? 30,000 plus 5 is in which place? Thousands place. So 5 will become 5,000 plus 2 is in which place? Yes, it is hundreds place. So this will become 200 plus 8 is in which place? 8 is in tens place. So write down 80. This will become 80 plus 6 is in which place? 6 is in ones place. So write down as it is 6. So what will be the answer now? What is the answer? It's 35,286. Okay? How you are going to read it? 35,286. So this one will become 35,286. Okay? Like this you need to write. Put the comma and then you write. Okay. Next, second one. See dear students, the number is given 49092. So how you are going to expand it? Yes, from the left hand side. So 4 is in which place? 4 is in 10,000 place, isn't it? So write down 40,000. So 10,000 will become 40,000, isn't it? Yes. So plus 9 is in which place? 9 is in thousands place. So 9 will become 1,000. Plus 0 is in which place? Hundreds place. Because there is no number, I am going to write a 0. 1 0 I am going to write there. Okay. Plus 9 is in which place? 90. So let us write 90. This will become 90. Plus 2 is in which place? Ones place. So ones place as it is you need to write. Okay. So now 49,000. Okay. 49,092 is the answer. So let us put the comma and write. So this will become 49,000. So 092. Understood now? How to expand it? Yes. Okay. Now third one. Let us write third one, dear children. Okay. See dear students. The third one is 52630. Okay. So let us see the place value. 0 is in ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So this will become 5 is in tens, 10,000 place. So that will become 50,000. Okay. Plus 2 is in which place? 2 is in thousand place. So 2,000 plus 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 600 plus 3 is in which place? Tens place. So 30 plus 0 is in which place? Ones place. So 0. Okay. So let us put the comma for this. 52,630. Okay. Understood now how you are going to expand it? Okay. Next let us do the fourth one. See dear students, fourth one I have written here 81707. So 8 is in which place? 8 is in 10,000 place. So let us write 80,000. Okay. Plus 1 is in which place? 1 is in 1,000 place. So write down 1,000 plus 7 is in which place? 7 is in hundreds place. So 700 plus 0 is in which place? 0 is in tens place. So write down 0 as it is. Then 7 is in ones place. Write down 7 as it is. Okay. Let us put the comma and write the number. So now 80,000. 80,000 plus 1,000. How much it will become? 81,000. So write down 81,000 comma. Okay. 81,000. Then 707. So write down 707. So 707. Okay. Okay, let us write the fifth one now. Fifth one. Okay, fifth one I have written here 96385. So let us start from the left hand side. That is 9 is in which place? 9 is in 10,000 place. So write down 90,000. Okay, plus 6 is in which place? 6 is in 1000 place. So that will become 6,000. Okay, plus 3 is in which place? 3 is in hundreds place. So that will become 300. Plus 8 is in which place? Tens place. So that will become 80. Plus 5 is in which place? Ones place. So write down 5. So let us put the comma and write the number. That will become 90 plus 6. That is 96,385 is the number. Okay. Okay, understood now, dear children? So understand clearly. There will be the means till year. For the FA test, I am going to give the FA test. Okay, FA1 test. So till year, whatever we have given, you need to study for the FA1 test. Okay, dear students, understood no? So next, write the place value. That we will next we will continue in the next class. Okay, after the test. Okay, students, thank you.